Hi, I didn't see you guys there. I'm so sorry. I'm just doing a quick little vid because I would love to start doing some tutorials for y'all. However, I want to know what you would like to see. So if you can, please leave in the comments below what kind of tutorial you would like me to do. Would you like me to show you how I did this beautiful reds, and kind of a purpley red eye look? Do you want to see how I do my face makeup? How I sit at my desk and talk to myself? Anything you guys want. I want you guys, the viewers, to tell me what you want. If you want to tell me to go to... then tell me. I just really looking for some ideas for some tutorials. Eye makeup, how do you shape brows, like whatever it is you want, just let me know and I will do it, because that's the kind of person I am. I just love you guys so much. I'm not trying to sound sarcastic. No, I really do love you guys so much. So if you can leave in the comments below what you would like to see me do from FabGab, which is for fashion and makeup. Yeah, I don't just do makeup. I also do fashion because I love both. Yes, I do. So just leave me a comment, and if you want to find me on the interweb, you can find me on the interweb at JEANA, the number 4, the number 8, the letter H. So Gina48H. That's me all over. As far as Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, you name it. Google JEANA48H and you'll find my Tumblr. You'll find pretty much all there is to know about me in all of my splendor. So yes, please research me, Google me, and let me know what you would like to see for a next video. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bored. My phone is shaking all over the place. I wonder if that's annoying.